I decided to rearrange my room, and I've moved my bed, which was there, over there, and as a result revealed lots of cruft and dust and bits and pieces that were underneath it, and that have been there. It's probably been about a year and a half since this was last cleaned under here. So we've got properly ground in dust, if you can see that. There we go. As well as sort of larger bits. So the point of this video is to show you what happens when this meets this. Dyson V6 Total Clean with the direct drive carpet head. Now, I've been using this quite happily for a couple of months now. I'm very impressed with it. It's actually better than my last corded hoover. But I don't think it's ever faced anything quite this tough before, so let's see how it does. And we're off to a fantastic start because it's not working. Okay, so that was interesting. I just tried to demonstrate this Dyson's cleaning ability and found that it wasn't powering the motorised heads at all. Now this happened very soon, this happened on the first one that I bought very soon after I bought it, and it went back to the shop because it was just being incredibly temperamental at powering the heads. The motor unit itself was working fine, but it wasn't spinning the head at the end there, or it was only doing so intermittently. So this one has been working fine up to now, so I've had it a couple of months now, but then just stopped working. So I was poking multimeters at it and all sorts, and eventually managed to pin down what the problem was, and this may be of benefit to other V6 owners. As you know, if you've got one of these, to empty it, you just pop that open it, and it drops dust all over your floor, and then press it again to take the whole thing off to clean it a bit better. Now I'd done that the last time I emptied it out, and then put it back on, and unbeknownst to me, a load of dust had got up into this bit here. Now, I don't know if you can see this, my camera's very bad at focusing, but up there you got two electrical contacts, and they need to contact onto these two contacts on the back of the what would you call this, a bin, I suppose, dust canister, whatever. From there the electricity goes around there into the wires and through the nozzle bit to the contacts there, from where it's fed to the motorised head, which is the one you're using. But it's very, very easy to get dust balls trapped up in there, especially as they tend to go up there when you put the canister back on after cleaning it. If you observe, yeah, you have to kind of get the front locked in, and then you push the back up. In the process of doing that, you can easily trap dust in there, and that can cause the motorised head to stop working. So if yours stops working, take the thing off and check to see whether you've got any dust up there. Give it a good blow, and hopefully that will fix your problem. So I hope that's of help to some of you. Right, and now I need to hoover up the bits that I've just thrown all over the floor, so let's do that. Okay, here we go. Alright, look at that. Can you focus on that please, camera? There we go. That is full of crud. Well, mostly on one side actually. The other side's empty, that's weird. But yeah, absolutely no problem picking up all that gunk. Big bits, small bits, it all went up.